Hello class, this is Dr. Fenton. In this video, I'd like to show you how to perform horizontal analysis on both the balance sheet and the income statement. So let's get started. Here I have a sample balance sheet. We have 3 years worth of data. We have the earliest year over here to the right, and then we go to the later years. So 2021, and 2022. Now, the first thing we want to do is add some columns in here. So let's add a column right here. Insert. We're a little bit too long, so let's bring that back over to here. Let's add a column right here. Insert. And a column right here. Insert. Okay. What we would like to do is show the percentage increase as we go from year to year. But we need to remember, at least for our purposes in this course, so everyone's consistent, is we're going to always use the earliest year as the base year. So we're going to base all the other percentages off of the base year. Let me close this up a little bit, and this is a little bit smaller. There we go. What we're going to do is, I'm going to show you this just to show you that the base year is the base year. So let's take this, and let's divide, let's equal, and divide this year by itself. Now, I know that's awful silly, but I just want to show you this. We need to format these columns as a percentage. And let's don't use decimal places, make it easier to read. No decimal places. And you can see it's 100%, which makes sense. This is just to show you that this first year is the base year. It's 100% of itself, of course. Now, the easy thing to do, grab this formula, bring it down to here, and there you have it. Let's clean this up a little bit. We don't need anything right here. Delete, 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 and we really don't need this one either. It's zeros. Okay, so it looks better. This is showing you that this year is the base year. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here is doing an equal, divide the 2021 number by the 2020 number, and hit enter. Let's format this for percentage, no decimal places, and there you go, 86%. This is showing you that the December 31st, 2021 cash and cash equivalents balance is only 86% of what it was in 2020, a year earlier. This is 42,000 some odd dollars. This is 36 some odd dollars. Now, really, these aren't thousands of dollars because, as in most financial reports on the SEC website, the 10Ks, the numbers given to you are in millions of dollars. So really, we're talking about billions of dollars here. Okay, so all these numbers, you'd add 6 zeros. Okay, so again, to make this easy, grab this formula, bring it all the way down, and there you have it. Clean it up, delete, 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 and let's delete that one. So there you go. This shows you the changes or the balances, how much they were either below or above the previous year, the base year. So you can see 59,000 is greater than 42. Yes, it's 142% higher than the previous year. Let's do the same thing for this year. Now, watch out on this one. Take this year's number, and here's where you be careful. Divide by the earliest year number, not the year just before it in this column. Always divide everything by the base year. So click here again, enter, and let's format this one. Format to a percentage, 0, and there you go. This is showing you that the 2022 cash balance is only 96% of what the 2020 cash balance was. See, it went down. This is 86%, $36,000. This is 96% comparing the 40 to the 42. So remember, you're not comparing the 40,000 to the 36,000. You're comparing the 40,000 to the 42,000. Now, we can end this real quick, finish it up, grab this, bring it down, clean it up, take these that don't really have formulas or numbers to work with. And there you go. That is a horizontal analysis for the balance sheet. Let's do the same thing for the income statement. Here we go. Let's add some columns. Whoops. Here. Insert. Bring this over. A little bit more. Maybe right there. Add a column here. Add a column here. Okay. We can bring these in a little bit. Here and here. There we go. Do exactly the same thing we just did earlier for the balance sheet. You're going to do the horizontal analysis. This will be equal to itself. So this divided by itself, enter. Format like we did before. Here, make it look like a percentage. No decimal places. There you go. Bring it all down. And we don't need to do it for the earnings per share. Usually you don't do that, so we'll leave this alone here. Clean it up a little bit. Here, 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 here. Okay. This is showing you that 2020 is the base year at 100%. Now we're going to look and see how much the 2021 numbers increased or decreased over the 2020 year. So here you're going to be equal to the 2021 number divided by 2020, enter. Let's format this again to percentages. Here you go. Drop it down. It's a percent now. Grab the formula, bring it down, clean it up, delete, 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 and there you have it. So you can see it went it increased or decreased. One more here. Again, this is the one you be careful on. Equal to the 2022 number divided by the 2020 number, not the 2021. Hit enter. Let's make this a percentage. Format cells. Percentage. Drop this down. There you go. Grab the formula. Let's bring it down to here to net income. Clean up a little bit. Delete. 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 And there you go. Now some numbers are going to look sort of odd sometimes, especially when you get into, positive, negative numbers. This is negative, positive, positive. So these are sort of outliers. You wouldn't really consider this too much, except for the fact that, you have non-operating income a lot more than you did previous year. It was even negative that back here, the non-operating income. So anyway, again, net income. This is showing you that the 2022 year-end net income here, 33,000, really 33 billion or more, is 288% greater than the 2020 numbers. And that's all there is for the horizontal analysis. So again, go back and take a look at this, look at the balance sheet, and that's all there is to it. All right, so as always, good luck with your studies.